What if I told you this has more sparkle and more fire than a diamond, that is just as durable for forever wear, and it costs a fraction of the price? Yep, this is Moissanite, and today I'm going to tell you why it's the smartest choice for modern forever jewelry. I'm reviewing 3 pieces from Read Your Heart, including this gorgeous ring. So let's get into it. So let's be real, I always loved like big studding jewelry. I just never could have it because I can't just justify the price tag, especially for a diamond. So what I'm looking for needs to check out 4 boxes. Of course, it has to be stunning, and of course it has to be durable for everyday wear. It should be ethical, and it has to be smart, because I like to be smart with my money personally. I'm not just gonna spend thousands of dollars on one stone when I have other goals of mine, because I want to buy a car or I want to save up for my next trip. And that's when Read Your Heart Jewelry comes in. They're a trusted, specialized moissanite manufacturer. So first up is going to be these hoop moissanite lover back earrings. I handpicked these myself. I thought they were really pretty. I don't think I have anything like these, so I wanted to try them out. So these are gonna be my new essentials when I like to dress up, because I feel like when I have my hair down like this, you may not be able to see it, but maybe when I put my hair up, you'll see it. So let me put my hair up real quick. Well, that took a minute to put on my left ear, because my left ear, I don't know, I feel like it's crooked. I think one of them is crooked, my ears. I remember when they did my ear pierce at Claire's. Yeah, I don't recommend going there. Anyways, they're sterling silver and they have this perfect little drop hoop design. And you know what, with these, actually, because they close, they won't they won't fall out or like poke you. If you know what I'm talking about, like the hoop backs, those, you don't have to worry about that with these. I can wear these all day and I don't have to worry about that. And they just add this perfect everyday sparkle. Next is a stunning one. It's the 3-stone emerald cut moissanite ring. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be wearing it on my right hand because I'm not engaged yet. Hint, hint. And obviously I prefer him to buy it, I don't have this gifted to me. But I'm having fun like trying out different styles, because this one's like a classic vintage one. That center stone is an emerald cut, and I never thought about that. So I'm like, this one looks classy, and it has like side stones as well. And also what I noticed is different, it definitely sparkles differently because it's like a different kind of cut. Instead of that all over rainbow fire, it gives you this deep clear hollow mirrors flashes. It's just so sophisticated. So what's a statement piece about its partner? They actually surprised me with this round moissanite sterling silver wedding band stackable ring. It's a 2.25 millimeter sterling silver band. Personally, I wouldn't pair these two with it. I don't really have experience trying on wedding bands. This is actually like my first time, so I'm not sure how it's supposed to like blend together because it looks odd to me. I don't know, but separately, I like it. Like if I wore just the wedding band, I thought it looked pretty. It's just as a ring. It's simple, it's, timeless. You can't go wrong with this. You just gotta figure out like what looks best with your engagement ring. I feel like that's very important. Let me give you a recap on why I'm obsessed with moissanite. First, the sparkle is next level. If you told me this was a diamond, I would believe you. I'm not like professional looking at diamonds, so I don't mind. And this is because it's actually scientifically proven to have more brilliance and over twice the rainbow fire than a diamond. Second, the value. I'm gonna be smart with my money, and it still looks stunning, high quality for a fraction of the price. And third, it's actually ethical, so if that's something you care about. Plus, Read Your Heart even recycles. And finally, durability. This is a forever stone. It's a 9.25 on the hardness scale, right behind diamond. So it's made for everyday wear. If you have seen my other videos, I have lots of other rings from them, and I actually wore it on my recent trip, and I wore my ruby ones. Very pretty. Wanted to try something different. You know, it's still very pretty, but I don't feel like it's me. But I still recommend Read Your Heart Jewelry because they have so many options. So hint your significant other if you haven't already, and use my exclusive discount code JESS15 for 15% off their whole website. I'm gonna put the exact links down below for the rings and earrings. They have so many beautiful, unique designs, and I don't know if they still have it, but they had a Black Friday deal, so check it out before it's too late. Let me know in the comments down below which piece was your favorite, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!